Scratches in car paint can be caused by a variety of things. Car accidents, vandalism, poor parking, and other parking lot mishaps are all common causes for a scratch or two on your perfect paint job. While scratches do detract from the appearance of your car, paying a body shop for a new coat of paint or even a small touch-up can be very costly. You can try buffing out surface scratches with toothpaste, using a scratch remover product for small scratches, or sanding and repainting the area if the scratch is deep. But for the purpose of today's video, I shall be discussing one of the methods using toothpaste for surface scratches. The first step you need to take is run a fingernail over the scratches to see if they are surface or deep. If your fingernail does not catch on the scratches, then they are on the surface, and using toothpaste might be a good option. However, if your fingernail does catch on them, then they are deeper and you will need to use a professional scratch remover product. That one will be discussed in our next video. Watch out for it. The second step is wash and dry the scratched area. Before you apply toothpaste to the scratches, make sure that the area is very clean. Rubbing dirt and debris into the scratched area will make the scratches worse. And you have two options to do this, so that you take your car to a car shop for washing, or you wash it by yourself. The third step, apply a quarter-sized amount of toothpaste to a dampened microfiber towel. Get the microfiber towel wet enough so that it is just damp. Then apply a quarter-sized amount of toothpaste to the towel, or a little more or less depending on the size of the scratch. But I would recommend that you use a whitening toothpaste. Why? Because this one works best. But you can try removing the scratch with any toothpaste you have on hand. You will need to apply the toothpaste with a soft, clean microfiber towel to ensure that rubbing in the toothpaste does not cause more damage. Step 4. Rub the toothpaste into the scratched area using a circular motion. Push down on the microfiber towel and move it in small circles to buff out the scratches. Do this until the toothpaste is well distributed on the surface. You will need to apply some pressure as you apply the toothpaste, but not too much. Step 5. Rinse off any excess toothpaste after you finish buffing out the scratches. Rinse the area thoroughly to remove the excess toothpaste. Spray your car with a hose and then dry the area with a microfiber. You can also wipe away the excess toothpaste with a wet microfiber towel. Step 6, which happens to be the last step. Repeat the process up to 2 more times. You may need to do more than one application to get rid of surface scratches using toothpaste. Check the area to see if the scratches are still visible, and then repeat the process 1 or 2 more times if needed. Make sure that you do not do more than 3 applications, or you may damage the clear coat of your car paint. For more of our videos, we'd like you to like our videos and subscribe to our channel.